Sometimes we are trying to connect to a Wi-Fi network and we are not successful, while others can do it without any problem. Other times we make modifications on the computer, and the internet still does not improve. And we get to a point where we think we're not getting the speed we're paying for, and we start looking for a way to switch to another internet provider. An example: here I have two computers connected to the same Wi-Fi network. However, in one computer, the speed is less than in the other. Let's take a look. After seeing this, we might wonder, how is this possible? They are connected to the same Wi-Fi connection. The problem is actually the capacity of the wireless card on this computer. Let's go to Network and Sharing Center, change adapter settings. Let's double-click on the Wi-Fi connection, and here it shows the speed that the wireless card is using. This means that no matter what speed you are paying for, this computer is not going to take advantage of that speed because its capacity is minimal. But if we take a look at the other one, here is the speed of the wireless card. Now let's go to Properties, Configure, Advanced Options, here in Preferred Band. The Wi-Fi transmits in 2.4 GHz and in 5 GHz. But in this computer, the wireless card can only connect to the network that transmits in 2.4 GHz. The networks that transmits in 5 GHz cannot even be seen in this one. 2.4 Wi-Fi has a better and wider range than 5, but 5 GHz has a faster speed. Let's configure the bandwidth on the card. For example, if you prefer, you can leave it as it is, or you can choose between 2.4 and 5. And if we are going to use the 5 GHz, this transmit power option, when set to maximum, your wireless card will get better performance and range to connect to Wi-Fi. This option is normally used at a low level for a small area where there is little interference with other devices. The other option is roaming. If you are in an office and move your laptop from one room to the other in an area where there are multiple Wi-Fi access points within the same network, then you can set it to the highest. That way your Wi-Fi card automatically finds and connects to the one that has the strongest signal. This part of Throughput Booster, when enabled, your wireless card will take up the most available Wi-Fi bandwidth in the house, leaving the other devices with minimal access. But if there are several computers connected, and you want them all to have the same access, leave it disabled. That's all for today. We will see each other in the next video.